All right, how to use this docs. And like, I actually may have spent as much time writing these docs as I did writing Flask-Commands. Um, I am, as I said earlier, by trade of a professor, university professor. And I just love teaching. Like it's somehow ingrained in me. I love learning, really, and I love sharing that joy of learning. So I built these docs for trying to satisfy the gamut. For those of you who want to go through this step by step and build out a build out the cool little app that I showed you, Cooker. These docs are for you. You can walk through this and it reads like a book. But for those of you all who need a quick reference, that's what that you can also use these docs for that. If you just need to know how to wire up a model really quickly, you can use the search and you can type in model and it will pull up the model sections. You can also see over here, here's the Flask make model. You've got your model sections right here. There are these videos in this, and each section has its own video. Right now, as I'm building this out, a lot of these video sections are just placeholders. You can see my cursor changes. If you open it up, it'll give you a description. And when the video is there, it will actually show the video. You can watch it here. You can go over to YouTube, watch it there. In general, of course, it's easier for me to keep the docs up to date than it is for me to recreate new videos. So my little caveat here is that the docs are the source of truth. The videos are just helpful guides. But of course, I will do my best to keep them up to date. The other thing that I did in this is to provide you a place to keep coming back to that will keep track of where you last left. Think of it like a bookmark. So if you watch a video, what's going to happen is this little checkbox will be checked automatically for you. There's some JavaScript there. And it will store that information locally on your computer. And then let's say I'm on this video, which is what I'm making right now. I haven't watched this one, but I've watched the first three. And so when you come back to the docs, you always see those first three checked. And then there's a whole lineup of all the videos under the videos tab. And then you have each different section, but if you want the entire series, you can see it here, and you can see, hey, in the first welcome series, I've watched the first three videos. So you could actually watch them here if you prefer watching them all on one page. And then this links back to the welcome section. So I'm really actually very pleased with the docs, and I hope you like them too. And I hope you're ready to build some cool things, doing it really quickly with Flask commands. Let's get to it.